Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel.
To my backyard.
My backyard, yes. We are in Georgia on the foot of a glacier up top. It's kind of raining. I have my drones on the back. 20 kilos of backpack. Let's see how it goes. First thing first, we have to cross on this very safe looking bridge. And we are back. The other day it started pouring very heavily. We went home, it was impossible to go up there. But now
resilient.
fully sunny. And let's try the sketchy bridge. Well, it looks very sketchy. It seems like there is a water pipe on the bottom. You can see down there, there is water coming out. It's crazy, but these people have crossed, so seems safe for now. It seems like there are two ways to go up, one longer and one shorter. Of course, guess what I choose with all of these drones at the back. Let's try the short way, which probably is much steeper, but at least less steps. I don't want to get lost in the forest today. Luckily, I guess this is marking of the trail. Someone put an hammock on here. I didn't expect a hammock in the forest, but it's a little bit too early and we are not tired yet. There is another one. We ended up in the middle of nowhere. I don't know, I was following some sort of trail, but there are no markings anymore. I hope I don't get lost in the mountain in Georgia, because I don't know how to get back. Oh my god, what an adventure. We got lost for like half an hour. All ops were really lost. You can see her, she's super sad. But we found a marking in a tree and we are kind of safe now. Wow! We managed to get lost again, but we have learned one important lesson. Always follow the river, because it comes from the glacier, so it's the only way up. We are almost there. You can see the base of the glacier. I think it's impossible to go all the way up, but maybe my drone can. It's super far looking it from here. I don't know if my 5-inch can go up there. I can't wait to drink that water. I'm super thirsty. I hope it's drinkable. That's the base of the glacier. It's always closer, but we are super tired. Also because we all lost an hour, so the trek did take more time. We arrived. I wanted to touch this as the ice, but you can see there are big rocks falling, so it's not safe to go there. Well, that's a shame, but actually looks amazing. I am super thirsty, but we have this river on the bottom, so let's get some water. It's freezing like my hand. As you can see, the water is a little bit cloudy. So what we do, I have the lens cleaner. We put it on top. And the water gets filtered. Very good. And it's finally time to fly with the 5-inch. I'm gonna try going up there to that ridge. I don't know how it's gonna go. It has a GPS, so I hope it comes back if I lose signal. I'm gonna start from here because I came a little bit back. I see a little bit more of the over the ridge up there, because under the glacier I had this big wall that would have blocked my signal. This way I have a little bit better signal, hopefully. Wish me luck. I am so happy I have the drone in my hands. I managed to fly. I reached quite a little bit below the top. I wasn't able to reach the top, but from signal and for the battery, which I really squeezed to the last drop. Maybe I could have climbed a little bit slower, but it was super windy up there. Really big distances, 3+ kilometers out, 1 more kilometers up. Really, this is pushing a 5-inch to these limits. I'm super happy. I flew a couple of times. I'm out of batteries. I probably needed to carry a little bit more long-range setups, but I wanted to travel lightish. I have already the Mavic 4, a lot of weight, and carrying all the way up here was really tiring. And that's all for today. As always, remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Let me know what do you think about this flight, and as always, stay safe and happy flying. Bye!